Okay, I'm taping.
Now? Okay, so we are going to have some homemade popcorn the old-fashioned way. We're going to have popcorn and movie night. So we start with some Crisco or any brand canola oil. What we do is we fill the pan just so the bottom's covered. Then we will pour in our kernels. These kernels actually, if you can grab these from Aldi, they're the best. They pop the best. And just pour them in. Just enough so that the bottom, you're going to have to tip the camera, has a little oil on each kernel. That. Okay, so then we're going to put this on the heat. When it becomes sizzling, we're going to cover, and then they'll start popping. We have sea salt, finely ground sea salt, some butter to melt. So we're going to start melting the butter. We're going to start this sizzling. So Clancy's popcorn is the best that we found. It's better than all the other brands. For some reason, it pops really well. Here again, that's what it looks like. We leave it open without the cover. We have our bowls ready. Little cheater is we're going to sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on the bottom. Just a little. Pour a little butter in each one so that when we pour the popcorn in there, stir it up a little bit. It has already a little coating. Okay, so we just have to wait till we hear the sizzle. Can you put a camera on here? I feel like that should not be on it. Should be able to come here closer. Come on to me. Come on over here. Let's see. We're going to tilt the camera. See it here? It's getting hot. When we hear it sizzle, that's when we're going to cover. The cameraman's pretty new at this, so. Alright. Let's put a light on it. Alright. Can you hear the sizzle? Not yet. Maybe we hear a little bit sizzle. And see how it's just every kernel's kind of coated? We might add a couple more kernels. Make sure they all get coated. Again, canola oil. We've got our butter cooking. You hear the little sizzle start? Gotta get our cover. If you have a clear cover, it's best because then you can see what's happening in the pot. You see them sizzle? See those kernels? Okay, we're going to cover. This is not the right cover, but as long as it's a clear cover. And then we're going to keep mixing them around. Because as they move around, you can have moist popcorn. Fluffy. When we start to hear the pop, we're going to lift it off the heat every once in a while so it doesn't burn. Here, can you really see the sizzle? Yeah. Okay. It'll start popping shortly. Yeah, look at it sizzle. Alright, it's going to be soon. And the butter's melting. Butter. Put it on a low heat. This you can cut out. It's time. You shut off? Yeah, I did it. Okay, I hear a little ping at the pan. Whoop, look at it really sizzle. Okay, it's almost ready to go. One already popped in there. Kind of like the Jiffy Pop. You don't have to buy those little throwaways. This is going to go a long way for movie night. Better than the show. Sounds like horses getting up. Take a peek in there. Look. Oop, it started. Look. See it? It's starting. There they go. There they go. Every once in a while I give it a jiggle. There we go. In the meantime, we're going to grab some of this butter, pour some in the bottom of the bowl, so that when we pour some popcorn in, we can mix it around. I need a big spoon. Give it a jiggle every once in a while. There we go. Can you see it? Light and fluffy. You can turn the butter off, I think. Getting near the top, so watch this. So carefully do this. Kind of messy. Make room in the pot. So with this already popped, we're going to toss the bottom of the butter and the little salt, so this gets coated. Of course, we're going to put more butter and a little salt on the top. I think we got it good. When you don't hear it popping much, we want to don't burn, so we're going to shove it off. Look at how light and airy that is. So same thing, we're going to put a little bit more butter on the bottom. Trick with the sea salts. You don't want it to clump up on the heat, so we're going to do this. When we put it in here, we're going to carefully just sprinkle like this. Put a little more butters on the bottom. Mix it up from the bottom to the top. And of course, you're going to have to taste it to see what it might need. more salt. But we don't want to just dump it on because it's going to stick. So we lightly go around. So, when we are done, when it's all ready and done, we're going to have our popcorn bowls ready to pour in. That. Everyone can taste it, see if they want more salt or butter. And we'll have movie night. Look how good that looks. And in the pot, no burns. Everything's light and fluffy. And that'll have to be seasoned as we go along. Okay, enjoy. Happy movie night.